Today, I'm sharing my honest review of the Ninja Air Fryer AF181 6.5 Quart Pro XL, and after using it regularly, I can confidently say this air fryer has completely changed the way I cook at home. First of all, the 6.5 quart capacity is perfect for families or anyone who likes cooking in larger portions. I've easily cooked up to 9 pounds of chicken wings in one go, which is amazing for game nights or gatherings. It also fits a big batch of fries without overcrowding, so everything cooks evenly and comes out crispy. What really impressed me is Ninja's Max Crisp technology. This air fryer goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and you can instantly feel the difference. Frozen foods go from freezer to plate in minutes, no thawing needed. Fries, wings, nuggets, and even frozen snacks come out extra crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, using little to no oil. I love that I can enjoy fried-style food with up to 75% less fat, which makes it much healthier. The 6-in-1 cooking functions are another big plus. I use air fry and max crisp the most, but I've also tried roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, and they all work really well. I've baked small desserts, reheated leftovers without drying them out, and even tried dehydrating fruits. It feels like having multiple appliances in one. In terms of design, the gray color looks modern and clean, and despite its XL capacity, it doesn't take up too much counter space. The controls are easy to use, with adjustable temperature and timer settings, plus an automatic shutoff for safety. Cleaning is super easy. The non-stick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, which saves a lot of time after cooking. Ninja also includes a recipe guide and cooking charts, which are very helpful, especially for beginners. Overall, for the price, especially with the current discount, the Ninja AF181 offers excellent value. It's powerful, fast, easy to use, and perfect for healthier everyday cooking. If you're looking for a reliable, high-capacity air fryer, I honestly think this one is worth it.